Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make Google Chrome faster on your PC. It's very simple to do, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you find this useful. First thing you want to do is head on over to the three little dots, press settings, and head on over to system. Over here, you're going to see use graphics acceleration when available. If this setting is off, try turning it on and then just relaunch Google Chrome. And if it's on, try turning it off and see if that makes any difference. Next, head on over to the left, right under system, you're going to see reset settings. Press this, it's going to say restore settings to their original defaults, and it's going to reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, and finally it's going to delete cookies and other temporary site data, but things like your bookmarks and saved passwords will not be affected. And then just click reset settings. And the final step to help make Google Chrome even faster is head on over to the three little dots, find extensions, manage extensions, and you're going to see your current extensions. You can turn them on and off. And if you have too many extensions, it can actually slow down Google Chrome. So if there are any extensions that you might have forgotten about and that you don't use anymore, just turn them off. But those are the three easiest and most helpful ways to make Google Chrome faster on your PC.